The goal of this protocol is to produce a body lotion that delivers a lightweight, non-greasy finish while hydrating and protecting the skin. To achieve that specific texture, we follow a precise 1 kilogram formulation. The primary moisturizing base requires exactly 300 grams of clear aloe vera gel and 50 grams of glycerin to actively draw moisture into the skin. Lower down the list, structural integrity relies on stabilizers and emulsifiers, like 30 grams of cetyl alcohol, alongside 10 grams of phenoxyethanol to safely preserve the final product. Processing this commercial-grade batch requires precise, sanitized equipment, a highly accurate digital scale, a double boiler setup, and a hand mixer. Strict adherence to these exact weights and a fully sterilized workspace form the non-negotiable baseline for producing a safe, stable emulsion. Step 1 is preparing the active material. You need to remove the green outer skin of the plant and meticulously isolate the clear inner aloe vera gel. Next, accurately weigh and measure every liquid and solid ingredient according to the formula before you begin applying any heat. We then build the oil phase. In a heat-safe bowl over a double boiler, combine your structural components, specifically the caprylic triglyceride and stearic acid. Heat this mixture until all solids are completely melted. You must hold this at a strict target threshold of 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. Simultaneously, prepare your water phase in a separate beaker by combining the distilled water, glycerin, and panthenol. Matching that exact 70 to 75 degrees Celsius temperature for both the oil and water phases is the fundamental chemical prerequisite for the binding process that follows. Now, execute the physical combination by slowly and steadily pouring the heated water phase directly into the heated oil phase. You must stir continuously as the liquids meet to prevent the phases from immediately separating. Switch to a hand mixer to permanently bind the phases, applying rigorous mechanical blending for 2 to 3 minutes. Watch for the physical transformation. The successful emulsion occurs when the translucent liquids rapidly expand into a thick, white, creamy texture. With the primary structure formed, you can add your delicate cool-down ingredients, the fresh aloe gel, dimethicone, preservatives, vitamin E, and fragrance. Introducing these highly sensitive active ingredients only after the primary emulsion is established ensures that the initial high heat does not degrade the botanical extracts and vitamins. Patiently, stir this final mixture gently by hand. Manual stirring ensures uniform distribution of the active ingredients without trapping excess air bubbles inside the product. Before moving to packaging, you must test the acidity. Skin compatibility requires the lotion to fall specifically into a pH window of 5.0 to 5.5. Once the pH is balanced, transfer the finalized lotion into clean, sterilized bottles. Leave the bottles uncapped for a mandatory cool-down period. Sealing them while warm traps internal condensation, which actively encourages microbial growth. Rigorous pH testing and allowing for proper moisture evaporation during cooling are the final essential safeguards to ensure your product has a long, stable shelf life. For commercial distribution, package the lotion in HDPE or PET plastics, utilizing standard market sizes ranging from 100 to 500 milliliters. Always select opaque or UV-protected containers, as shielding the product from direct light prevents the breakdown of the lotion's botanical color and chemical structure. Following this exact 1 kilogram procedure yields an estimating 950 grams of usable product, perfectly filling 2 standard 475 milliliter bottles. To secure the complete ingredient kits and sorber materials required to begin production, contact the supply team at thinksmartphone@google.com. Executing this strict sequence of thermal control and mechanical blending reliably transforms raw, disparate chemicals into a commercially viable, protective skincare product. In the next tutorial of our manufacturing series, we will formulate Product 07, Aloe Vera Hair Serum.